United Kingdom Arts and Entertainment Event Websites. Chapter 1. The UK has lots of live entertainment. The big UK event festival websites. efestivals.co.uk. theguardian.com/culture/festivals. ukevents.net. UK Arts and Entertainment Event subcategories at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/events. Air shows. Art festivals. Carnivals. Country fairs. Craft fairs. Film festivals. Food and drink. Fun fairs. Gardening and flowers. Literature festivals. Melas. Music festivals. Science fiction and fantasy conventions. UK Arts and Entertainment Event websites at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/events. audiojumble.co.uk, audiojumble. eif.co.uk, Edinburgh International Festival. Harrogate International Festivals.com, Harrogate International Festival. ichfevents.co.uk, International Craft and Hobby Fair. estiveseptemberfestival.co.uk, St Ives September Festival. Suffolk-festival.org.uk, Suffolk Festival of Performing Arts. thanetfestival.org.uk, Thanet Music and Drama Festival. England Entertainment Events at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/England/arts_and_entertainment/events. Subcategories. Bristol. Cambridgeshire. London. North Yorkshire. West Midlands. West Sussex. West Yorkshire. northernartprize.org.uk, Northern Contemporary Art. Encourage variety in digital media for visual artists in the north of England. Scotland Arts and Entertainment Events at curlie.org/n/regional/Europe/United_Kingdom/arts_and_entertainment/events. Ancomun.co.uk, the Royal National Mod, AM Mod Nazian Terryagale. Scotland's premier Gaelic festival of language, arts and culture and is held annually in October in Scotland. Scotplough.co.uk, Scottish Ploughing Championships. Held annually in October in a different area of the country every year, to promote the importance of good ploughing. Tasteofgrampian.co.uk, Taste of Grampian. A one-day festival celebrating and demonstrating the richness and diversity of Grampian's larder. ForthValleyArtbeat.com, Forth Valley Open Studios. Artists and organizations across central Scotland host a variety of events from open studios, installations, temporary public artworks, pop-up shows, film, performance, and exhibitions in galleries and community spaces.